Hello guys! So our vlog for today is a day in my life dito sa Hungary. So sobra talagang sarap naman dito sa Hungary. I really love living here dito sa Hungary, okay? So ngayon, mag-aayos lang muna tayo ng damit natin at saka gamit at saka maglilinis tayo, okay? So there you go. May ayusin tayong mga damit at gamit dyan. Ayan. So of course guys, we need to galing tayo ng laundry. So we need to fix our clothes. Our damitan. In fairness, mabango naman ng damit galing sa laundry. Oo, ganun talaga dito sa Hungary, guys. Kailangan pumunta sa laundry pag kailangan. So, pag ganyan na nangyari, punta ka lang sa laundry. You need the laundry, di ba? Now, I always fold my clothes like that. Para sa shorts ko na yun. This is for the bed. The upper one is for damit. You need to be organized. So, damit ang sa taas. Okay. So, damit lahat yan. Fold lang natin. Diba? Make sure your clothes are folded neatly so that, of course, when your clothes are folded neatly, your clothes are clean. Okay? You want to make sure you have your clean clothes over there. So we still have some clothes here. Now, this is where we are going to put our shorts. So, here is how you fold your shorts. Round. Okay. We have a lot of shorts. Here in Hungary, we always want to make sure that our clothes are clean, okay, and folded neatly. So that's how we want to make sure. Yan. And then later, we are going to the market. We're going to the market later. So that we will buy, we are going to buy, what do you call this? We are going to buy flour so that we can make some bread. Diba? To shine bread talaga. Because we want some breadcrumbs. So like that. Now we go to the other side of our bedroom, because here on the other side of our bedroom we have more space. For here on the other side of the bedroom we have more space for clothes. So we put here the other clothes, okay? So that is where we put the other clothes. There you go. We put there the other clothes. I don't know. I have many clothes, diba? Some of my clothes. Yeah. So, madami pa. We have more. We put here. Done. Here we put shorts. Later we are gonna go out for party. There you go. Diba? Bongacious. Of course, now here we put all of our undies. See, all our undies are here. So we're going to fix the house. We'll clean the house later. Okay, like that. Very good. It's now clean. Okay, guys. So now, we're going to vacuum the place. are also going to clean the sala. And so there you go guys. Ganyan tayo maglinis ng bahay dito sa Hungary. Diba? So, I'll see you later everybody. Bye-bye!